5mm hex is the type of axle REV robotics uses. You can use axles to turn different parts of the robot in sync with each other, and it can also reduce the number of motors you use. You can also use this to have different ratios. You can turn certain parts of the robot faster or slower with more or less torque. You can connect axles to other axles using either gears or sprockets and chain. With sprockets, you stick them on the axles and connect them using chain. To see how to put the chain on the axles, watch our other video. You can connect sprockets of different sizes to make the axles turn faster or slower. With gears, you put the two gears on the different axles and mesh them together. Axles can be used with wheels, which can be chained to motors and then powered to make your robot or mechanism move. All of the wheels in the FTC robotics kit fit onto the same type of axle. Different motors and servos have different ways to be connected to the axles. For example, with core hex motors, you can put them directly on a motor and then attach them to a piece of extrusion. This means that you don't have to chain or gear the motor unless you want to change its speed. To space things correctly on the axles, you can use either spacers or shaft collars. You can use shaft collars to keep things from slipping, which stay in the same place because of their pins, which you use an Allen key to tighten. Spacers come in three sizes: 1.5mm, 3mm, and 15mm. You can slide them onto the axles to space them correctly how you want. However, you need to put the shaft collars around them or at the ends of the axles to prevent them from slipping. To attach them to pieces of extrusion, you can use the bearing pillow blocks or motion brackets. You can put bearings, either long or short, into them and put the axle in it. It will then rotate easily through the bracket. Hopefully now you have an understanding of what the 5mm system is and how to use it. Please remember to like this video and subscribe, and also follow our Instagram at binarybots001.